Dear students, this video of Going to School Part 2 is brought to you by Aryabhat National Public School. In the first part of the video, we discussed about the different bridges that students cross to go to school. We discussed about different part of our country and how students like you go to school there. Today, we will discuss about different bridges in detail. The first type of bridge students used to go to school in Assam was of bamboo. It was a bamboo bridge that students used to cross to go to school in Assam. But it can be seen in our locality also. Maybe you have seen on small canals people have made to cross from one part to the other part. There are a lot of small canals in our area and people use bamboo bridges to cross it. The second type of bridge the students cross to go to school was the trolley that was used in Ladakh. In trolley, a very strong rope made of iron is tied on both sides of the river to a strong tree or a rock, and a box made of wood or iron is attached to the rope. Students sit in that box, and that box is travel from one part, go from one part to the other part. The third type of bridge we discussed was cement bridge. Each one of you have seen such type of bridges. There are lot of bridges present in our area, and you cross every day to reach your school. These bridges are very strong and made of cement, sand, brick, iron rods, etc. Now, there are some questions here that you have to answer. All these questions are regarding these bridges. The first question is how this bridge is different from a bamboo bridge. Here, this bridge means the cement bridge. The question is asking about how a cement bridge is different from a bamboo bridge. You can answer it. The cement bridges are strong. They are very wide. They are durable compared to the bamboo bridges. The second question is how many people do you think can cross the bridge at one time? You have seen these bridges. They are made wide. More than 20 people can cross these bridges at a time. The third important question is if you had a chance, which bridge would you like to use and why? Here the question is asking, there are two bridges side by side. One is a bamboo bridge on a river, or one is a cement bridge. And you have a chance. You have to cross that river. Which bridge would you prefer? And why? I think your answer should be very quick. You will like to use the cement bridge because the cement bridges are strong, wide, therefore you can cross the river or you can cross the canal using that bridges. Bamboo bridges are weak and only one person at a time can cross either from this side or either from the other side. But in cement bridges, lot of people can cross at a time from this side and from that side also. Therefore, if we get a chance to cross this type of bridge, we will like to use cement bridge because it is safe, it is durable, it is strong. There are other questions also. Do you have to cross any bridge on the way to your school? Here the question is asking you that is there any bridge that you cross to reach your school? If yes, what is the bridge like? Draw a picture. You have to answer. If you have to cross any bridge on the way to your school, you have to answer yes. If there is no bridge, you have to answer no. If there is a bridge, what is bridge like? Is it a bamboo bridge or is it a cement bridge? You have to answer it and you have to draw a picture also. The next question is, find out from your grandparents what kind of bridges were there when they were young. This question you have to inquire with your grandparents if your grandparents are present. If not, you have to inquire with your parents that when they were students, when they were going to school, what kind of bridges were there at that time. Then you have to inquire with them and then you have to answer it in your notebook. There are some more questions. Is there any bridge near your house? Find out more about the bridge. In these questions, it is given that if there is a bridge near your house, you have to find out more about the bridges. The first question in this is, where is the bridge? Over water, over a road, between two mountains, or somewhere else. The question is asking that is there a bridge near your house, whether it is built on a river or a canal or over a road to cross the road, between two mountains, or it is somewhere else. Is there any bridge near your house? Then you have to answer yes. The bridge is on what? It is over a river, over a road, between two mountains. You have to explain it. The bridge is over a road, the bridge is on a river, or bridges between two mountains. The next question is, who all use the bridge? It is used by people on foot and also by vehicles and animals. If there is a bridge near your house, who use these bridges? People, animals, vehicles. You have to answer it. The next question is, Does the bridge seem to be old or it is new? The question is asking that this bridge is new or this bridge is old. If it is new, you have to answer it yes, the bridge near my house is new. If it is old, then you have to answer it no, this bridge, the bridge present near my house or near my village is old. The next question is, find out what materials are used in making the bridge. List some of them. Students, nowadays the new bridges are made with cement, sand, iron rods, but there are other types of bridges also. In old days, there were bridges made with only iron pieces. There were some other materials also. They were made with bricks. Only bricks were used to make that bridges. There were some other bridges made of wood or bamboo. The bridge that is present near your village, near your house, is made of what? You have to find the material, whether it is made of cement, sand, whether it is made of bamboo, whether it is made of iron rods, that you have to answer it. There are two more questions here. Draw a picture of the bridge in your notebook. Do not forget to draw the train, vehicles, animals, or people who cross the bridge. Imagine what difficulties there would be if the bridge was not there. If you want to draw a picture, please draw it. The second question is important. You have to answer it. Imagine, just imagine that today we have lot of bridges present on rivers, canals that we cross easily on vehicles. Our animals also cross them to go from one side to the other side. But if, just imagine, if there were no bridges, how students like you go to school? If the school was on other side of the river, other side of the canal, how animals will go to the other side? How farmers will go to the other side to their fields? Whatever difficulties people will face if we don't have bridges on our rivers, on our canals, or there is a road, you have to cross that road is very busy. If there is no bridge, how people will cross it? That you have to mention it here. Thank you for watching. Rest we will discuss in the next video.